Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some small cottage decor ideas with rustic touch. Let's start the video. If you want a small cottage with a warm, rustic inspired feel, focus on natural materials, vintage charm, and cozy layers. Here are some tips. Style with oven baskets. Use baskets to store blankets, magazines, toys, or firewood, while adding natural texture throughout the home. Decorate with dried botanicals. Arrange dried lavender, wheat, cotton stems, eucalyptus, or wild grasses in ceramic vases for year-round beauty. Choose simple furniture. Select pieces with clean lines and natural finishes rather than ornate designs to keep the cottage feeling relaxed. Layer different woods. Mix light, medium, and dark wood tones to make the space feel connected over time instead of perfectly matched. Build a cozy focal point. Every room should have one feature that draws attention, such as a fireplace, a reclaimed wood dining table, or a vintage cabinet. Celebrate natural imperfections. Choose wood with visible knots, stone with uneven textures, and handmade pottery with subtle variations. These details add authentic rustic character. Keep furniture comfortable. Select deep, inviting chairs and sofas with soft cushions that encourage people to relax and stay well. Add copper and brass accents. Warm metallic finishes on kettles, light fixtures, cabinet handles, and candle holders complement rustic wood beautifully. Mix open and closed storage. Display beautiful items on open shelves while storing everyday essentials in baskets, cabinets, or wooden chests to reduce visual clutter. Decorate with antique books. Stack vintage books on coffee tables, shelves, or bedside tables to add warmth and personality. Choose timeless textiles. Linen, cotton, wool, burlap, and woven fabrics. Age gracefully and suit rustic cottages perfectly. Add a rustic dining centerpiece. Place a wooden tray with candles, wildflowers, or seasonal greenery in the center of the dining table. Let room feel collected. Instead of buying matching decor, gather pieces over time to create a home with character and history. Use layered window treatments. Pair light linen curtains with open bamboo shades to add softness while controlling natural light. Include handmade artwork. Display watercolor landscapes, botanical sketches, embroidered pages, or handmade wall hangings for a personal touch. Bring the outdoors in. Keep fresh herbs in the kitchen and display seasonal flowers or branches throughout the home. Add drastic scents. Use candles or natural fragrances with notes like cedarwood, pine, vanilla, lavender, cinnamon, or fresh linen to create a welcoming atmosphere. Use soft, warm lighting at night. Instead of relying on one bright ceiling light, combine table lamps, wall sconces, lanterns, and candles for a gentle glow. Decorate with seasonal textures. Swiss straws, pillows, and table linens with the seasons while maintaining the same rustic foundation. Highlight craftsmanship. Choose furniture and accessories that showcase carved wood, woven fibers, hand-drawn pottery, or forget metal details. Keep the space peaceful. Avoid overcrowding shelves and tables. Leave breathing room so every decorative piece can be appreciated. Designed for comfort first. The most beautiful rustic cottages are those that invite people to slow down, relax, and enjoy everyday moments. Prioritize comfort, warmth, and authenticity over following trends. Add texture to every room. Combine smooth pottery, rough wood, oven baskets, soft grass, and linen fabrics to create visual depth without relying on bright colors. Choose furniture with character. Look for handcrafted pieces, distressed finishes, turned legs, or reclaimed wood that tell a story. Keep the layout open. Arrange furniture to allow easy movement. A small cottage feels larger when pathways remain clear. Use soft curves, round mirrors, oval tables, curved armchairs, and oven baskets. Soften the strong lines of rustic wood. Make windows a feature. Keep window areas uncluttered and place a few plants or a small vase nearby to highlight natural light. Use rustic hardware. Replace modern handles with edged brass, black iron, or antique bronze knobs for an instant cottage upgrade. Include oven lighting. Rattan, wicker, or natural fiber pendant lights add texture while creating a warm glow. Decorate with wooden trays. Use trays to organize candles, books, flowers, or tea cups on coffee tables and countertops. Add personal collections. Display vintage teacups, old cameras, handmade pottery, or oven baskets to give your home a unique story. Embrace quiet corners. Even a small stool beside a window with a lamp and a favorite book can become a relaxing retreat. Repeat natural elements. Use similar wood tones, open textures, and earthy colors throughout the home to create a cohesive look. Emphasize architectural details. If your cottage has exposed beams, brick walls, stone fireplaces, or wooden ceilings, let them become the star of the room instead of covering them. Use wooden ladders creatively. Lean a vintage wooden ladder against a wall to display blankets, coils, or oven baskets. Add soft layers underfoot. Layer a small vintage rug over a larger natural fiber rug to make the room feel richer and more comfortable. Keep shelves balanced. Mix books, pottery, plants, baskets, and small decorative objects while leaving some empty space for a relaxed look. Introduce gentle contrasts. Pair rough wood with smooth linen, edged metal with soft wool, or stone with delicate flowers to create visual balance. Create cozy table settings. Use linen napkins, ceramic plates, wooden serving bowls, and simple glassware for everyday meals. Add soft fragrance, fresh flowers, dried lavender, cedarwood, vanilla, or cinnamon scents enhance the comforting cottage experience. Decorate with seasonal textiles. Swap lightweight linen throws in summer for chunky knit blankets and wool cushions in winter. Create a morning coffee corner. Dedicate a small tray or shelf to mugs, a tea spot, coffee supplies, and a vase of fresh flowers. Keep a gentle color flow. Repeat the same earthy tones from room to room so the entire cottage feels harmonious and spacious. Arrange decor using tall vases, medium-sized candles, and smaller objects together to create visual interest. Thanks for watching the video.